Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both surface and stickers. Clean each key with 70% isopropyl and a microfiber cloth so adhesive bonds. Let it dry fully. Next, position stickers on the caps without removing backing to check alignment and spacing. Once you like the layout, pick one row to apply first and use tweezers for precise placement. This reduces finger oil transfer and keeps edges straight, so you avoid peeling or bubbles later. You now apply stickers methodically, one key at a time. Peel the backing slowly and avoid touching the adhesive. If it gets dirty, replace the sticker. Align the top edge with the keycap crest so legends sit level when you type. Press the center of the sticker and smooth outward to force out air. A plastic card or fingernail works well. Once done, run your finger around the edges to seal them, making sure corners adhere fully. You finish by checking fit and function across the board. Trim any overhang with a sharp craft blade held at a low angle. Cut slowly to avoid scratches. If you find a stubborn bubble, lift toward the nearest edge and reapply, or puncture it with a fine needle and smooth outward. Make sure each key actuates properly. Once done, let the adhesive cure 12 to 24 hours before heavy use. If a sticker peels, clean and reapply or replace it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.